Hey guys, today you're going to do some number bonds. So I'm going to show you how to use your number bond paper and what to do with it. It's a pretty cool game. And later on, you get to play it later. So here you go. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your number bond sheet, and it's the 10.1, so you're going to need that. And then you're also going to need your boogie board or whiteboard, something to write with or write on. And you're going to need some counters. Miss Keegan has my little counters here. And you'll need your dice to have some fun. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera so that way you know what to do with your number bonds, okay? So here is your number bond, and you want to make sure that you turn it this way to where you have two circles on top and one on the bottom. It kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. So you have a part, whole, okay? Part, whole, part, whole. I want you guys to say it. Okay, now the cool thing is about a number bond, it was with the parts and the whole. I'm going to show you because it's on a math sentence, okay? So if we had a math sentence that had 1 plus 2 equals, I just want to show you this. The 1 plus 2 are that's the part, and the equals comes the whole. Okay, so in your first bubble, what you would do is if it says 1, you're going to go ahead and put 1 counter. Okay, and now the next one says 2. So you're going to go ahead and put 2 counters in the other bubble, okay? So now you have a part, and here's the part and the part. And it says add, so you can pretend that there's a plus sign in the middle of your part, and then you want the whole, which is your answer, your sum, okay? So we have part, whole, and it means the whole thing. So there's 1, 2, 3. So 3 counters would go here. So 1 plus 2 equals 3, okay? So part, whole, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay, that's just an example, okay? So, but this is what you're going to do later on, is you're going to take your dice. Let's erase that. You're going to take your dice and you can roll it. Oh, look, I got a 1 first. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 1, and that's going to be our first part. So I'm going to put 1 counter right there. Now I'm going to roll it again. Oh, it says roll again. So I'm going to roll again. Oh, it says 2. We just did that. Isn't that silly? So I'm going to roll it again because we just did 2. Oh, let's do 4. Okay. So now I'm going to put 4 counters in the other bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we have a part and a part. Okay. And you can write it on your boogie board if you want to. And you can do 1 plus 4 equals. So you can write it like that if you want to on your boogie board. And let me move this over here where there's not so much of a glare. There we go. So you could do 1 plus 4 on there. Or you can even write it on your paper. And that's 1 plus 4 equals. If you're going to write it on your number bond page, make sure that you have it in a sheet protector so that way you can erase and play again. All right, so we have part, whole. Part, whole. Or right here, part, whole. Part, whole. Okay, and it's even the same thing on my boogie board. Part, what's the whole? Okay, that means all of it. Whole means all of it. So we have 1 plus 4 equals, let's count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would put 5 counters down here. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 1 plus 4 equals 5. Okay? So you're going to go ahead and after you do that one, you can even write 5 on your boogie board if you want to. And then here we go. Here's 5. And then we know that 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right, guys, we're going to do one more together. And let's clear that off. Let's get those off there and erase this. All right, so now Miss Keegan is going to go ahead and roll my dice again. All right, ooh, I got a 4 again. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 counters, or you can even write the number 4 if you wanted to. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 counters. And then remember the plus is in the middle of all of this. So you can even write the number 4 if you wanted to. All right, let's roll our dice again. Oh, now it's a 5. Ooh, so I'm going to write a 5 in here. And then I'm going to get 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 5 counters. And remember, we want the whole. So there's part, whole. The whole thing means count all of it together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 counters would go down here. And you can write the number 9. So I'm going to write the number 9 first. And then I'm going to put 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so part, whole. Part, whole. And then I'm going to write the math sentence. 4 plus 5 equals, and there's 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. And you can even write that on your boogie board if you want to. You can write 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right, guys, so that's how you use your number bonds, okay? Part, whole, part, whole. And remember, whole is all of it. So I want you to have some fun with your number bonds today.